Hi guys, so for this project, the supplies we needed are an empty box, square size, some skinny toilet roll paper, batting, and a pen. So for the first step, we need to measure out the skinny toilet roll paper so that it could be cut and be fitted inside the paper box. For the next step, we need to measure out all 3 rolls of toilet paper. After that, we need to cut the roll down according to the markings. If you have a hand saw, that would be fine, but in my case, I have an electrical saw, so it will be much faster. So after the toilet roll paper have been cut, we need to look for some type of tools or material in order to smooth out the edges. You can use sandpaper or a nail file or I guess an emery board. That would be acceptable as long as you can use it to smooth out the rough edges. Then I would try to fit the toilet roll paper inside the paper box. This step will be fine if you want to use it to hold or to organize your rings, especially nowadays when our rings are really large, and this would just fit perfectly fine. But in my case, I would look for any type of fabric to cover the toilet roll paper, so that it will look nicer. And then I will try to make it fit over the toilet roll paper. So this project is almost ready. The last step that I have to do is to push in all of the excess fabric in order to make the box look smooth and nice. The purpose of this project is so that I can have a space to store my extra large ring. Normally I would put it onto like a jewelry dish, but that would collect dust. So I figured if I find like a box, and then since I have extra small toilet roll paper, I should figure out a way to reuse all the things I have around the house.